In this lesson, we're going to be covering rhythm in the principles of design. While the elements of art are what artists use to make art, the principles of design are what artists use to make art pretty. Rhythm is very similar to another principle of design we're going to look at later, which is pattern. Rhythm is when something happens at a specific time. Pattern, which we'll get to later, is something that always happens and just repeats over and over. Rhythm could be a pattern, but it doesn't have to be. Think about a sheet of music. It has certain notes that you have to hit right on cue. That's a tempo or a beat. A rhythm is exactly the same thing. Even though sheet music might have different notes, they have to hit those notes at a certain time. So it's not just a repeat of the same thing over and over again, as much as it is something that is going to happen at a specific time. And if you use your imagination, you would be able to determine where the next item would fall in that rhythm. This is an example of rhythm, where you can just imagine where the next color is going to be on the circle. You would know where the next ribbon is going to be. You are going to know where the next color transition is going to be. Everything in this is a rhythm, and it's the same way as this example of dancers. Yes, there's 3 different dancers there. However, they are placed in a way where if you were to continue the line, you would know where the next dancer would be placed. That is a rhythm. Your assignment for today is to create your very own artwork that has rhythm. You are allowed to look up references online. You are not allowed to copy your neighbor, and you are not allowed to directly copy the references that you see online. You can use those references as sources, but you are not allowed to directly plagiarize somebody else. Change it, make it your own, but do not directly copy. Thank you all very much. I hope that you enjoy this lesson, and I'll see you in the next video.